Okay, we're in the office today. Today is October the 8th, and we were very blessed and fortunate to a young lady from a West Palm Beach area. And she was done, she was done on Friday, which was October the 3rd.
Yes.
And we did her upper, lower abs, waist, hip, mid, and lower back. We did also the axillary fat pads because she had some complaints about, she put her bra on, the fat would kind of bulge off from that. We had planned on doing her arms too, by the way, as well as some inner thighs, but because we're limited by the tumescent fluid, which is lidocaine, we're not able to do those areas. So she'll be coming back on, I believe, on the Saturday, was it? Friday or Saturday? Which will be October the 17th or 18th. Patient did extremely well, and I was so happy to see her today, and I'm seeing her for the first time. Christine saw her on the 4th, which I think that was on a Saturday. She came in for a dressing change, so that was all done. Typically, patients come here for a dressing change and give us some idea as to how they're doing. So let me ask you a couple of questions before you get started. Okay. I gave you some pain medication to take. I think it was like 5 milligrams of oxycodone / 325 of Tylenol or acetaminophen. Yeah. How many of those did you take?
None.
Okay.
Only the one that you gave me.
Which was here, David. Okay, right. So that's good. And that's how it should be, really. I tell people they have to take more than 3 or 4 of the Tylenol with oxycodone in it, then call me, because it means there's something that's happening that shouldn't be happening. So typically, this is important for us to know these things, right? Because if they have a lot of pain, it means that the doctor went too deep, hit muscles, hit fascia, whatever it is, and they're in pain. Typically, the day after surgery, they may feel like soreness. They definitely feel soreness, typically. And a lot of people will go shopping after they've been done the next day. They come to us from out of state and out of the country. So this is really not meant to be painful at all. And she'll tell you also that she's not put to sleep. I want Georgia to tell you in her own words. I'm not going to ask any questions, to be honest about it. But I want her to tell you all about her experience coming here. You may want to say something about the crazy doc that you are stuck with now at this point, which is a lifetime, it seems like, and how the procedure went for you. So it's all yours.
Okay, so when I came in, I was greeted with Christine, his wife, and she got me all prepped up, and when Doc came in, they went over everything with me, what they was gonna do, and I felt very comfortable. And as he was doing the work, he was explaining to me. I was out a little bit, but I was kind of tired from the night before, so it wasn't nothing that I didn't know what was going on really. So after I was finished and I left, I had some drainage, which was a lot, and like 3 times the night. And then when I came in and saw Christine the next morning, she cleaned me up and changed my bandage and told me everything was looking good and told me how I was supposed to take care of it. And I had a slight soreness on the 3rd day, but overall, I didn't have to take any pain medications. I took it easy, but that's because I wanted to, and I feel great.
Okay, now you mentioned about drainage. Glad you mentioned that, because drainage is a good thing. Drainage means that your body's getting rid of the tumescent fluid. There may be a little bit of mixing of a little bit of tinge of blood from that, which is a carbohydrate. In organisms such as bacteria, that's a very good medium for them to grow and to infect you.
Okay.
So we do not suture wounds open, or closed rather. You know that the incisions were a little less than 1/4 of an inch. It's hard to really see them. We put them in the lingular lines, which is the skin fold lines themselves. So that's why you had the drainage. And a lot of drainage is good. As I was taking your pictures today, some 5 days post-op, I had to say I was impressed my own self. And I've done a little over 180,000 procedures documented here in the state of Florida and across parts of the country. And I'm always impressed what God has given me the ability to do and give me the patience that entrust me and the good Lord to work on you. Because it is certainly, you could have chosen anyone, right? And I always appreciate that part of it. Now, regarding, you saw your images we took before?
Yes.
You just saw the ones that we just took that we took just a short while ago. Did you see any difference?
A lot, a big difference.
Yeah.
A big difference.
I'm glad you see a significant difference. And a question I always ask people, is this something that you would refer patients here to have body sculpting
Absolutely.
done?
Absolutely.
Now, how much did I pay you to say that?
0. 0.
All right, love.
All right, Doc. Your
God bless.
personality
Appreciate you
is
so much.
awesome. Yes,
Thank
it
you
makes
so much.
my everything goes so smoother when you got a doctor with that kind of personality.
I appreciate that.